My quick and easy poha snack is ready to serve now. I serve it with some coriander chutney and some ketchup. And I'll show you the inside. It's so tasty. Both are different tastes. It tastes like vada. You can try this. Hello friends. Welcome to my cooking channel, Metha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am making a quick and easy snack for the tea. If you like it, the main ingredient is poha, or you can use even rice, cooked rice. Then almost same ingredients for the aromatics: piece of ginger, an onion. If it's a medium size one onion, this is a big one, so I'm using half. According to your spice level, chilies. I have 4 chilies, different spice levels. I have bunch of coriander here. I have a bunch of green onions. And poha, you wash it. If you use rice, you just mash it up. If you use poha, you wash it, soak it for a while, and then again mash it. So I already made it a little more than 1 cup, 1 and 1/4 cup of poha soaked, and then I mashed up already. For the taste, I'm going to add 1 boiled potato also in it, and for crunchiness, we are going to add couple of tablespoons of rice flour in it, and same 2 tablespoons rava suji in it, and salt as needed. So these are the main ingredients. Let me prepare all that and I will show you. I just added a small boiled potato in it for little taste. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for little color. I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt into that. I'm adding the green chilies chopped, onions chopped, the coriander leaves, ginger, and the whole green onion. For little crispiness, I am adding a little bit of rice flour, not a whole lot, maybe 3 tablespoons. Again, for crispiness, I am adding a little bit rava suji. That's also same quantity. You don't have to add too much. Now we have to mix everything. I'll show you once I mix everything together. I just added half a teaspoon of chili flakes because I thought the green chili is not enough spicy for this much quantity. I had only 4 small green chilies, so I added a little bit. Now I finished mixing all that and kept it ready. I have my oil heating up now, and let me see. Yeah, it is getting ready. So I'm just putting 1 spoonful of this, just making a small shape of a ball shape, and just adding it. I just mixed a little bit of my batter, dosha batter here with the suji rava to give it a light coating so it won't take much oil. And you can make it this way also. I think this is a better version of it. I changed it because it was the other. It was absorbing a lot of oil. Now it's a very nice snack for tea. You can make it with potatoes inside and like that also. I like potato version, potato. And you can make it when guest comes to your home, cook something from your home. You want to present some snack for a tea. This is an easy version of it. I'll be keep frying it, but you can see this is very crisp. I can show you with a, you can hear that sound. My quick and easy poha snack is ready to serve now. I served it with some coriander chutney and some ketchup, and I'll show you the inside. It's so tasty. Both are different tastes. It tastes like vada. You can try this. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please comment below. We'll see you in another interesting quick and easy recipe like this.